Happy Sunday, Power Forward Women, and welcome to this week's edition of What's Your Power Play. My name is Star Williams, CEO of Power Forward Woman. I'm hoping that you had a Power Forward week and you are looking forward to yet another successful week. And can you believe that we are already in the month of April and we have achieved so much so far? And I want you to know that I'm so proud of you and cannot wait to celebrate all of your successes at the end of the year. And I'm happy that you have continued to go only after life successes, even when you had roadblocks in the way. You did not quit. So keep reaching, keep digging, keep pushing, but do not quit. And this week's message is just slightly different, and it stems from some of the tragedies that I've seen occur over the last few days, and one that just truly hit home. And I'm coming to you with an open heart, a sincere heart, to say that I need you, and you are so important to me. And I want to be there to continue to push you and guide you along the way, to be that listening ear, to be that sister, to truly be my sister's keeper. And I want you to know that you can count on me. And I also want you to continue to spread the message that we need each other, that we have so many sisters out there suffering in silence when they don't have to. And Power Forward Woman is so much more than just women's empowerment. It's about getting all of our resources under one roof so that we can have an easy support system to reach out to when we are in need. There's so much talent right here that we can continue to reach out to each other and know that we have the support of our sisters. So don't do it alone. We are here for you. And it's a movement, and more than just a Power Forward Woman movement. It's a movement of sisterhood, a movement that cannot be broken as long as we stick together. And trust me and believe that when you win, I win, we all win. And that's the best feeling in the world, is to see my sister win and to reach those goals and to reach her level of success that she had only dreamed of. And speaking of dreams, we're going to be meeting with the dynamic Darnetta Forteau of the Forteau Marketing and Consulting Agency on tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And she's going to help us take our vision to reality. And we're going to learn a few marketing tools and also just learn a little more about Darnetta and what she's going to be speaking about at the conference. And the conference is going to be in Dallas from June 6th to June 8th. Again, that's Dallas, Texas, June 6th to June 8th, our Power Forward Woman Conference, and it's going to be phenomenal. So tune in to our Google Hangout, and for more information on how to gain access, you can reach out to us on Facebook, or you can also email me at star@powerforwardwoman.com to get more information on how to get onto the Google Hangout. And you do not want to miss Darnetta, and you also don't want to miss out on an opportunity to win free tickets to the conference on Saturday. So again, don't forget to tune in. You can win free tickets, but you definitely want to learn how to take that business from just simply a vision to reality, and Darnetta is going to do that for us. So until then, continue to love each other, continue to support each other, and communicate those ideas to the ones that you love that's going to help you take those dreams to the next level. And until then, I want you to stay safe, have a great week, and think about what's your power play. Have an awesome Sunday, and I will see you on tomorrow.